Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Teamgate CRM to Google Calendar for meeting scheduling. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Teamgate CRM to Google Calendar, first, log in to your Teamgate account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. From the settings menu, look for the integrations option and select it. In the integrations section, locate Google Calendar. Click on the Google Calendar integration to begin the setup process. You will see prompts guiding you to connect your Google account. Click on the Connect button to initiate the link between Teamgate and Google Calendar. A new window will open, prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google credentials and click Next. You may be asked to allow various permissions for Teamgate to access your Google Calendar. Review the permissions and click Allow to continue. Once authenticated, return to Teamgate's integration settings. You should see a confirmation that your Google Calendar is connected. Next, navigate to the meeting scheduling section within Teamgate. Select the option to schedule a new meeting. You will now see an option to sync with Google Calendar for scheduling. Choose your desired time and date for the meeting. After setting the meeting details, click on the Save button. The meeting will automatically be added to your Google Calendar. You can verify this by checking your Google Calendar for the newly created event. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Teamgate CRM to Google Calendar for meeting scheduling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.